Hi, beautiful masters. If you're a soul sucker at heart but don't look like one, then buckle up because I'm going to transform you into the ultimate soul sucking queen, Dolores. So let's start. For the base to give us that freshly risen from the dead vibe, I've mixed some blue eyeshade into the foundation because it screams undead chick. So you have to just blend it really well and then set it up with the white powder to lock it in for your eternal reign. Yes, and now the eyes. So for the eyes, as dark as your soul, but with a little glitter to keep things fabulous, I have used a dark gray eyeshade with little glitter in it because it's better than the plain black. And I've used it on my upper lash line or upper part of the lid or all over the lid actually. And on the lower lash line as well, you know just like the shadow of your wickedness. So you have to just make sure that you have blended it really well and use it thoroughly because it's the star of our evil makeup. And now those iconic tears because yeah, it's really important. So for that, I've grabbed a thin eyeliner brush and some black eyeshade to create those starful streaks. Cry river, but make it fashion. Because this is also a very iconic part of the makeup. So yeah, make sure you do it really well. And I thought that the eyeshadow of the lower lash line was not enough, so I've darkened it more. And now the mascara because the soulless deserves some drama as well. So coat those lashes with the thick mascara. Otherwise, you can just use the eyelashes. But you know me, I don't like using it. And now I've made that mark just like Dolores. Yeah, now stick those two parts together. And now the leaves. So yeah, make it as bold as you can so that you can just lure all the unsuspecting souls. Ahaha. And I managed to break two lipstick, perfecting this evil pout. So, dedication or doom, you decide. Just my villainous expressions at work. And just staple it together, those pieces. I made it for the YouTube short actually. So, yeah, I thought it's pretty yeah, evilish. So, I just used this clip over here as well. And here we are. Dolores is here to reign. Don't forget to staple yourself into act, merging your innocence with pure evil, or just kill your innocence and just let your evil shine.